Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 8. In this class, we are going to discuss net force. Net force. What is net force? Sir, you discussed only 4 types of forces, sir. One is frictional force, one is muscular force, one is gravitational, one is tension force. You discussed these three, sir. But along with that, you did not say about net force, sir. The net force is nothing but the forces like contact forces, children. It is separate. Simply we can say sum of forces acting on a body. Acting on a body or object. Sum of forces acting on a body or object is referred as net force. See, children, keep a table on the ground. Right now, on the table, you put any object like pen, paper, eraser, chalk piece, whatever it may be, you place all these objects on the table. Children, they are not falling down, because the table is supported, all these objects towards up. The table, see, this is a table, children, and many objects are there. These are all objects. Understand, children? These are all the objects that lying on the table right now. This is the surface, means ground. See, they are not falling onto the ground because they are supported by this table, because they are always acting upward. We know this force. What is this? Normal force. Okay, children? Normal force. Normal force always acts towards upward. And one other force acting on this object. What is that force? Gravitational force. Gravitational force is also acting on these objects. But how, sir? Why they are not falling? Only due to the support given by the or support provided by the table. They are lying on the table. They are not falling on the ground. Children, these upward and downward forces are balanced. These upward and downward forces are balanced. So how can you say these are balanced? Because they are not moving, children. They are stable. They are stable there. Okay, children, keep any chalk piece on the table, and after 1 hour you come and check the chalk piece. Will it move, children? No, because it was stable. It was there. Because there was no forces, strength is limited. Children, the forces of strength are not much improving. The magnitude is same, so that we can say they are in rest. They are in rest due to their forces are our magnitude is same, children. Right now, but the only thing is they are in opposite direction. They are in opposite direction. One fellow acting upward, one fellow acting downward. Both these normal force and gravitational force are providing same magnitude. See, children, what is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force, Newton. Newton. If suppose gravitational force is objecting 9 newtons on the object, okay, this is the object, consider this as an object, so gravitational force exert 9 newtons on this object. Same normal force is also exerting 9 newtons. So 9 minus 9, how much? 0. Okay, children, the magnitude of normal force and gravitational force are balanced because the value is 0. 9 minus 9, how much? 0. But they are acting in different directions. One fellow acting upward and one fellow acting downward. Means they are quite opposite, children. Understand? They are not moving too. That's why they are balanced. Understand, children? Right now we'll see one more example of net force. This is a net force, children. Here the net force is 0. Here the net force is 0. Understand, children? But we'll see one more example. Right now take again the same table. Right now take this table. Okay, take this table to the third floor of a building. How can you take this table to the third floor? By only the lift. By only the due to the lift. See, this is a lift. Consider a lift. Okay, children. Keep this table in the lift and accelerate. It will go to third floor. Okay, while moving upward, the forces are adding or not? One fellow is always acting on this table. Understand, children? Do you catch my point? Nothing. This is the lift. You know lift. All uses lift to go to certain floors. Third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, whatever it may be. Right now take this table and keep it inside the lift. Right now keep accelerating. You put the button start third floor. Okay, it accelerates towards up. Then gravitational force always acts towards downward. Right now this fellow is moving upward. This fellow is moving upward. Okay, here this fellow is moving. So one of the force is greater. Understand, children? In previous case I said the forces are balanced because the object never moves at any direction. But here this fellow is moving upward. So normal force it always acts towards upward, you know that. But here normal force is greater than gravitational force. Understand, children? Because this fellow from the 0th floor is moving towards the third floor. Means the normal force applying much force than the gravitational force. Understand, children? Then the gravitational force. Simply, gravitational force applied 9 newtons on the object. This fellow normal force applied 20 newtons on the object. Right now minus it. 9 minus 20. How much? 11 newtons. Okay, 11 newtons extra force applied by this normal force, children. Here normal force is greater than the gravitational force, children, because they are in motion. Children. Right now we will see two more examples. See, children, take a table and try to push it hard towards forward. Take a table and push it. Okay, while you are pushing, while you are exerting force on the table, will it move? Understand, children? Consider any refrigerator. In your houses, refrigerators are present. Right now go near to it and push it forward. Will it move, children? Right now call one of your friend to your home and ask his help to move the refrigerator forward. Then he also starts pushing the refrigerator. Then the refrigerator move. What happened here? Because two forces are acting. One of the force is by your friend and one of the force is exerted by you, children. So these two forces combined each other and making the object to move, children. Understand? These two forces are added. Here it is called as adding forces. Adding forces. One of the force is from your friend and one force is of you. Okay, these two forces combine each other and makes the table to push forward or move forward, children. Right now, again you call your friend. Right now ask your friend to help to push the refrigerator in the opposite direction. Means if I was here right now, in front of me there is a table, and ask your friend to go at the opposite direction. I am pushing from this side, he is pushing from that side. Then the table moves. No, because two of you, means I am applying the same force, that fellow is applying the same force. Then the table does not move forward because equal magnitude. Understand, children? But suppose I apply 10 newtons. He also applying 10 newtons. 10 minus 10, how much? 0. Understand, children? Here in this case, there is no adding force because 0 value. 10 minus 10, 0. Understand, children? While adding forces, the object, when it is in a straight line, we have to refer as F greater than F2. Understand, children? F greater than F2. How, sir? See, children, consider this just as a table for some time. Right now, I am pushing this table forward, children, but it is not moving. I asked someone's help. Okay, he also making or giving a push up to the table. Right now, by combining forces, it moves forward. In this way, here there is no force, children. Here there is no force applied by any person. The two forces are greater. The two forces are greater than this force. Understand, children? So that F1 greater than F2. But in the case 2, okay, children, but in the case 2, what happens, you know? When, same, I asked my friend to go that side and I am pushing from this side. What happens? The table never moves. There is a difference between the forces. So in second case, F net equal to F1 minus F2. Understand, children? F1 minus F2. Force F1 minus force F2. We'll discuss the next topic in the next class, children. Thank you, children.